are you, my friends? In this video, I'm presenting lecture 30 of the Algebra Course lectures. Please, you can visit the playlist Algebra Course lectures for more lectures. This is about linear functions. Now, the objectives in this lecture, we define the linear function, we graph it, and we find the slope, which is the rate of change. What is a linear function? It's a function that has the form f of x is equal a times x plus b. A and b are real numbers, domain is R, range is R, the graph is a straight line. Ax plus b. Remember, x has power 1, and also f of x is equal to y. So we have some examples here. Now let's see if I graph these straight lines and give the domain and the range. F of x is equal minus 2x plus 6. Usually, to graph a straight line, we need 2 points minimum. Now remember, these are 3 types of straight lines. We will see part A. Just find x-intercept. Let y is equal to 0. So this is why we put it equal to 0. So we get x equals 3. So that's a point 30. Y-intercept, let x equal to 0. So we put x equal to 0. We find y is equal to 6. 0 and 6. So we just join the line. The x-intercept 30, y-intercept 0, 6. Domain is R, range is R. Now let's see the difference between A and B. B, f of x is equal minus 3. F of x is equal minus 3, which means y equals minus 3. See, if you try to find x-intercept, no x-intercept there, because this line is horizontal line. It is a function. It is a horizontal line. The domain is R. We can accept any value for x on these points. The range now is only one value, one number, only minus 3. Now let's look at the third one. X equals minus 3. X equals minus 3 is a vertical line. It is not a function, just a vertical line. The domain only the value of the x, which is only minus 3. The range now is all values of y, which is all real numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity. This is a nice example here. Find h if the point 3 plus h, 2h minus 1 lies on the graph of this linear function. That's a linear function. So this is a straight line. And I'm saying in this question, this point here, 3 plus h, 2h minus 1, lies on the line, on the graph. So how do we find h? Simple. Take this one as x, 3 plus h, all of this is x. Take this as y, 2h minus 1, put it there. Just to explain the idea here, if a point lies on the graph, the coordinates, which is x and y, the coordinates of the point satisfy the equation. So I replace, as I said, y is 2h minus 1, x is 3 plus h, multiply by 2, simple linear equation until you get h minus 13 over 3. You can check the numbers if you like, please. Now, what is the rate of change? For a linear function, f of x is equal ax plus b. After you put it in this form, f of x is equal ax plus b. If you need the rate of change, this is the same as the slope of the graph, which is small a. But remember, you have to put f of x by itself. Like we say, solve for y or solve for f of x. Now, if you have a graph here, and we need the rate of change of this linear function, we have a graph. We know this graph is a straight line. So how do we find the rate of change? As if we are saying, find the slope. So you have to pick up 2 points from here, very clear points. Don't take points that are not clear. So you have to take a clear points. This is not clear, this is not clear, this is not clear. Maybe this one is a clear point and on the x-axis. So I choose clear points, 0, 3 there on the x, and then 5, 7, I can see that 5, 7. These 2 points lie on the line, so I find the slope by the formula. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, 7 minus 3 over 5. 4 over 5 is the slope. So what do I need? The rate of change, which is the slope. Okay, example 4. This is very important. Okay, let's see. If f is a linear function with f of minus 5 is equal to minus 3 and f of minus 4 is equal to 4, find f of 1 over 7. The answer is either 31, 32, 35, 33, or 34. So this is a multiple choice. So what's given? Given line, straight line, f is a straight line, linear function. We have this f of minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So that's a point on the line. This is another point, x and y. And here I say this x 1 over 7, find its y, find the image. Let's make a sketch here. I sketch the idea. See, I just look at the given here. F of minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So you can say this is x and this is y. I'm just explaining here with many colors. F of minus 4 is equal to 4. This is another x. This is another y. 2 points that lie on the line here. So I can take x and y. You see, just make x there, y there. Another x there, y there. Now we find the slope and we find the equation of the line. So I find the slope, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And this one will be slope m is equal to 7. Use the equation for the line. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. These 2 points lie on the line. So I can take, let's say, minus 4, 4. So y minus 4, 7 is the slope, x plus 4. Simplify the equation, we get 7x plus 32. That's the function. Now, f of 1 over 7, I replace 1 over 7 in the function here, in the x. So it becomes 33, which is, the answer is D, 33. I can give you another idea here, another method. See, I know this point, minus 5, minus 3 on the line, another point, minus 4, 4 on the line. Let's make another point, C, 1 over 7, comma, T. This is the image, this is the Y. So we know 3 points, A, B, C on the line, so I can find 2 slopes which are the same, AB and AC, or AB and BC, it's the same, because the 3 points lie on the line. So I find the slope of AB, I find the slope of AC, and then I make them equal here. You see? Slope of AB, slope of AC. This is the formula. You have to work a little here, harder numbers, and then you will reach T is equal to 33, as we found it here. Nice method. Now, example 5 is really nice. We have the a graph of the line here. And then it says this is f of x is equal to ax plus b. Then we need a times b. So again, we are looking at the same method here. Look at the equation of the line. This is the line here. We need the equation of the line. After that, we get small a, small b. Now, you know, small a is the rate of change. Small b is the y-intercept. And then you can multiply them. Because if you put x equals 0, that will be y-intercept. So I can take 2 points, clear points, from the graph, 4 minus 1, you can see that, and 0 minus 4. Find the slope, 3 over 4 as the formula. Find the equation, f of x, 3 over 4x minus 4. This is the function given here. So a, directly I can write 3 over 4, b is minus 4. Multiply them now, you get minus 3. Now let's look at example number 6. Good question here. If 3k plus k squared is the rate of change of a linear function whose graph is parallel to the line whose equation is this, 4f of x plus 4x is equal to 28 minus 5x, then find the value of k. So it's the whole idea here, the whole idea is these two lines are parallel. So they have the same rate of change, they have the same slope. This one is given already, 3k plus k squared. This is all the rate of change. of our linear function. This one you have to find the rate of change. To find it, you have to rearrange it. So when you rearrange this one, you take 4x on the other side, becomes minus 9x, divide by 4. So it becomes f of x minus 9 over 4x plus 7. Remember that. So you take 4x on the other side, becomes minus 9x over 4 plus divide by 4, 7. So this is the slope, 3k plus k squared equals this rate of change, which is the slope, minus 9 over 4. Now rearrange the equation, put k squared plus 3k minus, bring it on the other side, becomes plus 9 over 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation ready. And then we can make it all squared, because if you try to use the formula here, k squared, a squared plus 2ab, 2ab becomes 3k plus 9 over 4. So this is the factoring is ready there, already completed. So take this is equal to 0, so k will be minus 3 over 2. That's the answer. Now here you can find some old exams questions as a practice. Given the linear function, find the value of d. This is 1. Another one, find the rate of change given the equation there, f of x. Here maybe there is a little trick I can say, please. Just here we have f of x and f of 2. The only difference is f of 2 is a number. Like if you replace 2 in a function, you can get 8 or 9 or 7 or half or minus 1 or 0. So f of 2 altogether is one number. So deal with it as one number, and this is the function, f of x, that's why. All right. Now question number 3, find this, given f of x is equal to k minus 1, f of 7 is equal to k plus 9, find this one, multiple choice question. Number 4, find the area of the region bounded by the graphs of the 3 lines. We have 3 lines there. F of x is equal 1 over 2x, y equals 3, and the y-axis. Draw the 3 lines and find the region bounded by them. It will be actually triangle. Okay, I will say it now. Example, the question here, number 5, which one of the given functions is a linear? So this is a function. Which one is linear function? Because our lesson here is about linear function. This one, 2 straight lines, linear functions also, they are perpendicular. Find the value of k, you can do it. Look at the slopes and the rate of change. And here you can find the answers of these 6 questions. Now for complete solutions, please, if you need the complete solution of all these 6 questions, you can visit the old exams questions, linear functions. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. Just to remind you, this is Algebra Course Lecture 30. I wish I can see you in another video with another topic. Thank you very much. Bye.